Letter number 67. To Khosam ibn Abbas, his governor of Makkah. In the name of Allah, the Beneficent, the Merciful. Now, make arrangements for Hajj by the people, remind them of the days to be devoted to Allah. Sit for giving them audience morning and evening. Explain the law to the seeker, teach the ignorant and discuss with the learned. There should be no intermediary between you and the people except your tongue. And no guard save your own face. Do not prevent any needy person from meeting you, because if the needy is returned unsatisfied from your door in the first instance, then even doing it thereafter will not bring you praise. See what has been collected with you of the funds of Allah, in the public treasury. And spend it over the persons with families, the distressed, the starving and the naked, at your end. Then, send the remaining to us for distribution to those who are on this side. Ask the people of Makkah not to charge rent from lodgers, because Allah, the Glorified, says that alike, for the dweller therein as well as the stranger. Awqif, the dweller, here means he who is living in the wild body, the stranger, means he who is not among the people of Makkah, comes for Hajj from outside. May Allah grant us and you promptitude for seeking His love, by doing good acts, and that is an end to the matter.